Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get AAV coin using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, go to your Trust Wallet and then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section on the top of the screen, you see the buy and receive buttons. You can either buy or receive AAV. Then tap on the one that you are interested in. At the search bar, just type in AAV. And here you see all the AAV different kinds of tokens. Then tap on them and it's going to generate for you your QR code, and with this QR code you can receive AAV, or you just tap on copy and it's going to copy your address. The second option, the set amount option, here you can type in a set amount and it's going to generate for you a new QR code, and with this new QR code you can receive this set amount of AAV, in my case 47, which is a good way for payments or transactions. And obviously with the share icon you can share your QR code on social media or any other platforms. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.